So this is gonna be my trip on a Monday morning. Beautiful day, a little bit of snow yesterday, but it's not that cold. Good weather, happy about that. This is gonna be my load. Have a dishwasher, maybe I'm gonna bust, but all plastic covering. So maybe I'm gonna break it down at the scrapyard, I'm not sure. Found it that piece, but shamefully it's cracked. It's like cast iron. Really heavy. I was like, wow, probably would be sellable, but it's cracked like really heavy down there. So this, I have like 20 chairs. Hopefully they're not gonna complain about the fiberglass. So it's not heavy, so that's the thing maybe gonna help me. But so I'm gonna bring that tomorrow, this morning. Today it's a bit special. I have a delivery to do. So I'm going to go get some floor ceramic. So I have a ton of, exactly a ton, 2,000 pounds of ceramic to deliver. So my truck's gonna work hard today. Need a bit of gas. So hope everybody's having a wonderful day, living the dream. So peace out everybody, see you later. So let's go to the scrapyard, empty that, and after that directly to the floor manufacturer, the floor factory, to go get those, and after that deliver those to Montreal, get paid, and on our way back hopefully gonna find some scrap. So now it's 9 o'clock. Hopefully everything's gonna be done about the floor before noon. Have maybe half an hour to go drop those steel. So let's go. At the scrapyard right now. One of the pain of going to the big scrapyard is you have to deal with those. That's like the third big van that's come here. So I'm here with my little pickup, and there they are. And right now they're actually calibrating the scale. So we only have one scale available. So kind of bit of traffic this morning at the scrapyard. So yeah, I'm gonna empty that after going downtown to Montreal. Empty that shitload. Deliver that ceramic floor. Hopefully my truck's gonna be able to handle it. But that's it. You want a good price, you deal with the big trucks too. So yeah, I'm next right now. So peace. My truck is empty. That's quite all my stuff over there. Those chairs. That's a nice room. Everything's clean. So $91. Not too bad. 760 pound at $265 per metric ton. So great price here. It's like maybe $40 more than most of yards around here. Maybe for a lot of you folks that show that it's a lot of money, but we're on Monday, and this is gonna be probably maybe $20 more than my gas consumption. So yeah, scrap price is high over here, but we're taxed. Too heavy for me, seriously. I went over there, grabbed that ceramic, and just took a half of it. But I found myself one freezer and one mini fridge. And I have a guy, I have a guy that asking me if I was able to find him a freezer. So that one is quite clean. Sorry. So I'll try to show him that one. So yeah, day quite done. I'm gonna try to find some scrap on my way back home. But I did one trip. And so yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna work with him for the day almost. I have like that rest of the delivery, and we have couples of trip of garbage to take to the dump. So tomorrow should be a good day. So that's it. Not even noon. Have one trip done. 1,000 pounds of ceramic floor, and day done. So I really hope that freezer worked great, because I'm probably gonna be able to sell it for like $60 or so. A little something for the dream. Dishwasher. Coming with me. Aluminium. I'm gonna not to know if I'm able to grab those too, but all those coming with me. Happy about that found. Got couples of windows over here. And he asked me to come back tomorrow for more. Yep. Kind of weird table, huh? Really weird. So I grabbed a lot of lamps, like 1, 2, 3, 4 lamps. And the trick that I use is I take the cord to tighten up so it can't move. So yeah, so last piece of the day. So another beautiful day in paradise. Yeah, snowing today. It's announcing 1 foot. It's already started, so I have lots of things to do. I'm still working on that floor delivery. Oh yeah, I found those pipes. Just like that, sitting on the street. I was like, ah, copper. It was like screaming, jackpot digger, grab me. So everything's going forward. I'm doing that partially. It's getting full now. Starting to look good. All my number 2. Show you something else. I stripped that wire, that big fat one that I showed you, the one for for the whole house electricity. And look at that color, it's gray, but don't take me wrong, it's copper just by the weight. I know it's zinc plated. I don't know if you could focus. But it's copper, you just need a little scratch on it. And so this has to be gone soon. Copper prices are getting me crazy now. They raised like 15 cents, dropped 20 cents, raised 25 cents. every day they change almost. Anyway, so I wanted to show you that, but yeah, this is my reality. So let's go to work. I let the traffic go a bit, but like every first snowstorm, people like seems to forget how they drive. So anyway, hope everybody's having a wonderful day, living the dream. See you later. I'm gonna show you my load of ceramic, but I just don't have time to waste with it. Oh yeah, I found those lights, Christmas lights too. So, but I just don't have time to waste with filming. I see lots of people like always filming. Maybe with a GoPro would be easier. I'm like digging the YouTube thing, but it's hard for me. Anyway, peace. I'll put my stuff over here, all my windows there, and my big ones, my frames and all there. So this is for when the weather is better than that. So let's go. I'm having so yeah, let's go grab those ceramic flooring, and after that I have a couple of garbage run to do too. So I have some garbage run to do of wood and plywood and 2x4 and anyway, good quantity of wood. And after that, maybe a stove and a fridge to deliver too. So should be a fun day. Gonna wait a bit till it defrosts, but should be on our go there soon. But yeah, there's a couple of people. Okay, first of all, my windows are defrost now. It's great. Let's go. It's gonna be slidey for sure. First time I drive with that truck, and normally I use Standler on snow. So I'm quite a bit afraid. I'm telling you the truth. I'm gonna drive like really crazy slow. Seems like I'm not the only one. As I thought, really slidey. The sidewalk are not even being shoveled. So there's a couple of people who ask me, where's your footage? It's been a while that you didn't post anything, blah, blah, blah. I'm working, I'm doing my best. Seriously, I'm really not the best YouTuber at all. I know, but I'm just not used to that part at all. I have stuff to do. That's the thing that's fun to share. Those things to do, but if I'm filming, those things aren't being doing. So I'm making you a bit snap of my life, but I need a GoPro. I have a friend. I'm gonna ask him. Ce matin, avec un manchon et un couvert bombé, s'il te plaît.
Ah, ok, oui. Manchon, couvert bombé, ensuite.
Ce matin, saucisse, muffin anglais.
Yes. Le kilo?
Non, ça va être tout.
Ah, ça va préparer 5,85. Merci.
Avec la tempête ce matin, ça m'a juste pris une heure et quart dans le mur. J'ai même pas eu le temps d'arrêter de m'acheter un café. Fait que là, ce serait peut-être pas que je cherche un café.
Patrice, qu'est-ce que tu veux?
Qu'est-ce que tu veux? Un lait, un sucre.
Mais je pense qu'il y a des gens qui n'ont pas fini leur café. Tu parlais de regifting. Il y a juste 2-3 gorgées de prix. Bonjour, Mylène.
ABS, man. I hate that. That's not good for me. I hate ABS. ceramic is loaded, quite heavy. I'm not gonna slide anymore. My truck is like an angle. I don't know if you're able to see it. Yeah, half a ton. It's supposed to be 1,300 pounds. Anyway, let's go there. Editing, and I'm realizing seriously that I'm a really bad YouTuber. I like miss so many steps of my trip. Like my first trip of ceramic, I didn't film it at all. Today there's something really crazy that happened because we ended up renting a big U-Haul 14 foot, and we had to go like in the backyard, not back street, sorry, in the back street, and with all the snow we had so fun squeezing it down there. We filled it up all the way down with woods from the destruction site, so we did like maybe 6 or 7 ton of wood, full jam pack, 14 foot, but and we went to the dump. Anyway, that said, I didn't had my cellular with me. I forgot it in my truck, and because we rented a truck, didn't have my cam with me, so it's really a shame that I didn't have that one, because this would make awesome footage. But so yeah, I'm editing that, and I had to end. I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna put back my coat. I didn't even shower yet. It's like 9:10, 9:15. My son just slept. Just went to bed. I shoveled a lot. Freezer end up doesn't work. So just to make sure I give them like a couple of hours. No. Freezer doesn't work. The work is sad because it's kind of clean. I tried. I'm gonna keep it plugged for the night, but probably tomorrow morning coming with me. But it was clean. Someone asked me for a cooler, and I have a small fridge, but Yeah, it's working, but it's closed with the small top. I don't know if you're able to see it. Anyway, that one's working. I have a friend who asked me for a fridge, but this is gonna be good for the time she wait for it. Yeah, I shoveled over here, took maybe 10-inch. Wet boots. So yeah, I shoveled a bit over here. I dig my hole. Here all clean. So yeah, I found today another water heater. So tomorrow the plan is to get rid of all this. Tomorrow I shoveled all the way down here already, but yeah, so tomorrow I'm gonna load all that tomorrow morning, plus that freezer. So I'm gonna have a nice trip of scrap. But yeah, so I just wanted to say that the YouTube thing is gonna improve with time for sure. For now I'm like still not used to it at all. So sorry about that, but had to say it today. Seriously, with all that snow, the mess around, everybody's was freaking. So it was kind of a busy day. It was kind of a busy day, yeah. So I didn't film, sorry about that. So maybe I'm gonna improve with time. Give me a chance. If you like that video, hit that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet and you liked and you want to see more, I'm gonna upload more video. But give me a chance. Peace. Scrap life. Scrap till you die. Tabarnak.
Bust open the walls just to get the wiring. Took the hot water tank and leftover appliances, aluminum siding, and had to come back cause the furnace so big it wouldn't fit in the back. Now it's copper by the pound, wired by the inch. Got a check on the first and it's gone by the fifth. Scrap or die, nigga.